Hello everyone! Today we are going to cook easy eggplant puree. The ingredients that we are going to need in order to make 2 servings are 2 eggplants, oil, 1 or 2 green onions, pepper, salt, and cream or some vegetable cream, but this is optional. First, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. In order to make this recipe, we're going to do several cuts. First, you must cut off the top of the eggplant. Then, cut the eggplants in 2, lengthwise. And finally, on the inside, make diagonal cuts. Make sure that the top of the knife is reaching the bottom of the eggplant, but be careful of not damaging the peel. The quantity of eggplants that you are going to need are proportional to the quantity of portions that you want to cook. Add some salt to each half of the eggplant. Spread it with the help of your hand. Chop the green onion into cubes or slices and sprinkle a little on each half of the eggplants. I had them previously cut and frozen. You can also do the same to save yourself a few minutes in the kitchen. Then, put some olive oil on each half of the eggplant, a splash for each. Roast the eggplants in an oiled dish or tin, oven safe. It will take about 30 to 45 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. When pricking the eggplants with a fork, it should go through them easily, and that will mean that they are ready. It could be that some of them aren't ready, so they will need more time in the oven because they are larger. In case this happens, take out the ones that are ready and leave the others in the oven for a while. Put the eggplants on a plate and, with the help of a fork and a spoon, remove the pulp, to later discard the peel. Put the pulp in the blender and grind. It is better to do this a little at a time, so you make sure that the eggplant is completely grounded. If you wanted to add some cream to this recipe, after grinding the eggplants, put some cream in a pot. To do it with milk cream, you can add between 4 to 6 tablespoons of cream. It can also be coconut cream or whichever you want. Add a little salt and a little pepper. You can also add onion salt, a little garlic powder, or the dressing or spices that you want. Heat and stir until it starts to boil. Immediately, add the eggplant puree and stir until everything is incorporated. Enjoy! If you liked this recipe, hit the like button below and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this.